start with all these states. We project winning states for Mitt Romney will begin in Kansas, and the 6 electoral votes in Kansas, we project Kansas will be won by Mitt Romney, the Republican presidential nominee. Continuing, other states, Louisiana in the South, 8 electoral votes. Mitt Romney will carry Louisiana. We project another win for Mitt Romney. Nebraska, we project he will get 3 of the 5 electoral votes they allocate by congressional district. Right now, we can project 3 going for Mitt Romney. In North Dakota, another 3 electoral votes. All of them in North Dakota going for Mitt Romney. Staying in the Dakotas, let's go to South Dakota right now. 3 electoral votes. We project those 3 electoral votes will go for Mitt Romney in South Dakota. Look at this, Texas, 38 electoral votes, all going for Mitt Romney. He wins the state of Texas. That was expected, a big win. From Texas to Wyoming, 3 electoral votes. They go for Mitt Romney as well. And not only in Wyoming, but let's say Mississippi, 6 electoral votes. Mitt Romney carries Mississippi as well. We cannot make projections right now in several states, but we can make projections for President Obama. In Michigan, right now, Michigan, look at this. It was supposed to be close, but right now the polls have just closed in Michigan. We are already able to project that Michigan, the home of the U.S. auto industry, will be in the president's column. 16 electoral votes. We know some Republicans thought they had a shot there. Doesn't look like they had much of a shot. 16 electoral votes going for Michigan. New York State, another big prize. We anticipated New York State, always heavily Democratic in presidential contests, would go for the president. The president picks up all 29 electoral votes in New York State, and he does in New Jersey as well. 14 electoral votes. We project all of them will go for the President of the United States. They had severe weather problems in New Jersey and New York, but we've made those projections. All right, here's where we stand right now. In Obama headquarters, by the way, they're cheering right now. I think we got some live pictures. Let's show our viewers what's going on over at Obama headquarters as they watch what's going on. I guess they're pretty happy about Michigan specifically. No projections right now in Arizona, Colorado, Minnesota, New Mexico, and Wisconsin. We need more information before we can make projections in those states. We're watching them. The road to 270, here's where it stands right now, just after 9 p.m. on the East Coast. Mitt Romney is ahead. He has 152 electoral votes compared to 123 for the President of the United States. 270 are needed to win the White House, as you know. And as we wait for more real votes to come in, we want to share with you what our exit polls are revealing. Remember, these are estimates. They're based on interviews with a sampling of voters as they left select polling stations today, and phone interviews, by the way, with a sampling of people who voted early. Here are the exit poll estimates we can share with you. In Arizona, we have not made a projection, but the estimate is from the exit poll, 52% for Mitt Romney, 46% for the president. Look at how close it is in Colorado. Based on our exit poll information right now, 48% to 48%. Doesn't get any closer than that. Colorado, a key battleground state. In Minnesota right now, the president, 50%. Mitt Romney, 47% in our exit poll estimate. Remember, these are estimates only that reflect the votes of the people we interviewed at select polling places, early voters we interviewed on the phone. It may not necessarily reflect the actual outcome in a particular state once we get the final vote. We have some more exit poll information. By the way, I want to share with you, New Mexico right now, 52% for the president, 43% for Mitt Romney. In New Mexico, we have not made a projection. Wisconsin, the home state of Paul Ryan, the Republican vice presidential nominee, the exit poll shows 52% for the president, 46% for Mitt Romney. Both of these states, New Mexico and Wisconsin, went for President Obama 4 years ago. Anderson, these are a lot of states coming in, a lot of projected states, a lot of states that we cannot yet make projections.
We saw the crowd reaction at the Obama headquarters. Let's check in with Jessica Yellen, who's